Whenever I add a new detail in this Google Sheets, automatically that detail is sent as a new message on my Google Chat space with a new notification. Sounds magical, right? Let me show you how it actually works. Let's suppose that here I'm going to add a new detail. So we have added name as latest user and I'm going to add email as well. And lastly, the skin type. Alright, so these are some random details that I've added over here in my Google Sheets, and as soon as I've added a new detail in this Google Sheet, you can see an instant notification has been received on my Google Chat with all the details that I've added just right now in my Google Sheets. No manual effort was required, and instantly in seconds, a notification was shared about the details added in my Google Sheet. So this is how magically this automation works. Here, for example, I have taken my leads sheet where whenever a new lead is added in my Google Sheets, instantly that lead detail is shared with my team on our Google Chat space. And here I've set up this simple automation connecting my Google Sheets with my Google Chat space. So here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see some options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And here if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Also, here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first, and here you can see 3 different methods. So you can use any method to create your workflow. I'm going to set up the workflow using Quick Builder, and now let me directly get you towards the workflow window. Alright, so here I've successfully set up a workflow using Quick Builder, and now let me tell you that there are 2 most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up our trigger. Here we have selected app and the app event, and we have received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So here following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged into my Google Sheets account. And here I've already logged into my Google Sheets account. So this is the spreadsheet that I've created. And now here to build a connection between this Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect, you need to install add-on your Google Sheets account first. For that, click on this extension, select add-ons, and then select get add-ons. Now here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you need to search for an add-on which is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And then you need to install this particular add-on on your Google Sheets account in order to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. You can see I've already installed mine, so we're going to move back. Once you're going to install the add-on, then you need to follow exactly the same steps. After that, refresh your window, and that's a necessary step. Then click on this extensions and you'll be able to see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks. From here, select Initial Setup. Now under this Initial Setup, you can see it is asking for a webhook URL and the trigger column. So here for the webhook URL, we are going to add the URL that we have received in our Pabbly's workflow, and for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So you can see in my Google Sheet, my last data column is column D. So we're going to add the trigger column as D, and then we are going to click on this submit. You can see it says setup configured successfully. That means we have successfully set up a connection between our Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Once the connection is set up, you need to click on the send test button in order to send the dummy details to this webhook URL, that means on our Pabbly's workflow. It says test data sent successfully. That means we have successfully sent the first first to read off our Google Sheets to this webbook URL. Let's go and check it. But before moving back, let me tell you that you need to perform another very important step in order to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. For that, click on this extension, select Pabbly Connect Webbooks and turn on the Send On event. By turning it on automatically, when you're going to add a new detail in your Google Sheets, instantly Pabbly is going to capture the response. Alright, let's go and check it, and you can see we have received a tick in front of the Send On event. That means we have successfully turned it on. Alright, now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. Now once we have received a new detail through our Google Sheets, instantly we are going to send a notification for the same on my Google chat space. For that, we have selected app and the app event. Here we are going to build a connection, and firstly it is asking for a chat webbook URL. So to get this chat webbook URL, let me take you to my Google chat account, and here you can see this is my particular Google chat space where I want to receive the notifications for the new data in Google Sheets. So we're going to click on the space name, then select space settings. Here you can see the option of apps and integrations. Under this, we have received the option for webbooks, and these are some existing webbook URLs. We're going to add a new webbook over here. I'm going to give the name as new lead. Alright, then we're going to click on the save, and you can see a new webbook URL has been added over here. Let's copy the link for the same, and then we're going to add it over here. Then here it is asking for a header title, header subtitle, and some other details. So let me add the title and the subtitle first. So here I've successfully added title and the subtitle. Here this header image URL is not required one, so we're going to leave it blank. For the text, I'm going to add the text as name, email, phone number, skin type. So I'm going to add these values over here, but instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new detail through our Google Sheets. Instantly, this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and here we're going to map the name. So this is the name. Moving forward, here we're going to map the email address. Then here we're going to map the phone number. And lastly, the skin type. Moving forward, custom section is not required once. We're going to leave it blank, and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a new message on our Google chat. Let's go and check it. And you can see a new message has been received over here with all the details. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we've selected our trigger as Google Sheets and our action as Google Chat, so that we're going to receive a new record in our Google Sheets. Instantly, that is going to be shared as a new message on our Google Chat space. So here, for example, I've taken the leads detail, but you can send any type of data from Google Sheets to Google Chat space or any other communication platforms as per your requirement. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send your Google Sheets record to your sales team. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.